There's this question that is coming up a lot. Nyonyo people asking, Ate you are Nyamutoro, Ate how do you come from Eddy? Nyamutoro is actually an Alur name. Nyamutoro is an Alur name. I don't think it exists anywhere else, any other part of the country. So Nyamutoro in Alur means a lady or a daughter of joy. Yes, so I am from Eddy. I thought I should clarify that again. Are you supporting Arsenal, our beloved minister? You people, I was concentrating on minerals, but yes, thank you for the mockery. I am an Arsenal fan. That are interested in having a laboratory studying gemstones, and they hope to expand it into a section of the school at one of the universities. And I think that's how it moves. That's how it should move. It's hard to generalize studies for all the minerals. One has to specifically specify in one particular mineral and be very exact and good at it. Any plans for the Kadama? Okay. The Kadama are the migrant workers, right? I believe from sharing information here, it would be one of the sectors that would interest them to invest in. But also, their pleas are something that we have always taken into consideration. I've always had their plight. And as a youth representative, we should always, I will always use any avenue to advocate for them in particular. My colleague, the youth member of parliament from Western Uganda, is working on a law of labor externalization that should be able to address most of their concerns that have been raised. Talk Luganda. Use Luganda for Bakadama to understand. Guys, okay, Luganda, some of the words are hard to express in Luganda, but yes, I do speak Luganda actually. Luganda and Wulira. I speak 7 languages across Uganda. I speak Luganda, I speak Lusoga, I speak Lugwere, I speak Ateso, I speak all the Luo languages. So feel free to relate in any of those. Thank you. Free energy generator. Frank Millionaire is requesting for a chance to pitch their free energy generator. Frank Millionaire, please come by office. Let's discuss this in detail. I would love to know. Mineral mining policy that favors local investors. I absolutely agree with you. That is something that we need to strengthen. Policies are already in place, but we can always keep reviewing, updating, and making them better. What happens if I discover a mineral in my land? When you discover a mineral in your land, first of all, chances are, unless away from speculation, unless you are very certain and sure that it is a mineral, that is when we get to involve geologists. They come and carry out a survey. They take samples that go through a process of laboratory confirmations, both here and in Uganda. They extract the components to ascertain the concentration of the mineral and validate it of its existence, and then they can put out a confirmation and we declare the existence of the mineral in an area, in the area. If you need any help, feel free to visit the geology department at the Ministry of Energy. It is at Entebbe, and then you will get all the help that you need.